This is a fit for a 2012 through 2018 BMW 3 Series 4-door sedan with factory fixed point connections. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in black, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber boots and the necessary brackets and fasteners to connect to the fixed point connections. This is complete fit kit number 3028. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location at 28 inches, front to rear, center to center. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.